Divide 875 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 7 and it is 17. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 7. So we put down this 5 and it is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So 875 divided by 7 is 125. So this much for today and thanks for watching.